A recent study by JP Morgan found that over $54 billion are spent on digital goods annually, and this market is expected to grow to $74 billion by 2025. So, there are people who are even making $20,000 to $50,000 per month through selling ebooks and other digital products. And in this video, I will show you how to create and market digital products to make thousands of dollars every month without spending any money on ads. So basically, you can start this business for 100% free. Digital products don't need any shipping, and once customer is going to make a purchase, they are sent on their email address automatically. And these can be in the form of PDF, JPG or Excel. So in PDF form, it can be ebooks, and in image and JPG form, it can be pictures, wallpapers or stickers. And in Excel format, it can be a template, for example, budget, meal, or productivity planner. Now the question is which digital products have demand and how to create those products. So this is a challenge which many beginners face once they are going to start this business. And in this specific video, I will share how I created my first ebook and how you as a beginner can create one for you to sell online. But as I told you earlier, there are many sellers who are making thousands of dollars every month by selling stickers, wallpapers, and Excel templates. And they are driving all the traffic to their website through YouTube and other social media platforms. But if I talk about ebooks, these are much popular among all of those digital products. You can simply go to Gumroad website, and in Discover section, you will be able to get plenty of ideas related to ebooks. So our first step is to choose a niche. Now, as my own field is e-commerce since 2014, and I have done all e-commerce businesses in past, for example, selling on Amazon, eBay, and through my own website on Shopify. And from past year, I am also creating content related to this same niche as well. So keeping my audience in mind, I created one ebook, which is related to start your own Shopify business. And I am working to create another one at this time as well, which belongs to different ways of making money online. Now you can choose the niche in which field you have your own experience, or which type of content do you mostly watch on social media. Let's say if you are a chef, you can use your own knowledge to create an ebook related to cooking. Now, of course, there is the major part of this business, which is marketing and building an audience, and I will talk about that later in this video. So let me give you an example. If you watch content related to making money online and you are struggling to make your first dollar, why not create an ebook in which you share the information which you have learned along the way by spending your hundreds of hours watching this type of content. For example, if you create an ebook, how to sell on Amazon, you can put all of your knowledge, or even you can get some information from Google or other resources like ChatGPT. And then you can build an audience to sell this ebook, which I will show you later in this video how to do that. So first you have to choose your niche according to your skills and knowledge. Let me give you one more example. Let's say if you consume a lot of your time watching traveling content. You can now create an ebook explaining different destination points in any country and how much it will cost to travel those destinations. Now in this specific ebook, you can also include different images of that places as well. And after that, you can share your own knowledge on social media which you have gained by consuming the content. And all of your customers who are going to get this ebook, you can let and emails related to travel content, and you can then promote affiliate links in your emails related to hotel bookings and tickets. And even you can get newsletter sponsorships from different companies. And there are plenty of platforms which you can use to get those sponsorships, which I will explain in marketing part of this video. So once you have decided your niche, next step is to create and design your ebook. And for this, I have been using Canva, which is a free tool, and you will get a lot of ebook templates available to use. First, go to canva.com and then choose your ebook template. As we are going to create an ebook in PDF, so we will select an ebook template size from here in Create Design section. Now, as you can see, there are different sizes available, and best one for ebook is Document A4 Portrait, which I have been using to create my own ebooks as well. So now you can simply select the size, and after that you will get a layout like this. Now I will use this layout to create my own design, but you can also choose already available layouts by going into the design section on left side. Now here when you search for ebook pages, you can see there are many templates available to use. And then you can simply click on any template you want to use. Let's say if I choose this template, now from here I will zoom a little bit so that it looks more clear. Now here on this page you can add the text, or even you can add your own images. And if you want to add an extra page or layout from design section, you can simply choose the page and then click on add another page. So in this way, it will be added to this existing template, and then you can position the pages up or down from here. But as I am going to create my own design, so first I will design my ebook front page. And I will use this page in the start of my ebook as a main cover page. And then I will also use this page for headings and subheadings. Okay, now to choose a color of my ebook homepage, I will simply go here. I can choose a color from already available colors, or even I can create one by going into this section. And here you can put color code if you have already available, or if you want to create a specific color, you can create your own. But make sure to select a color scheme for your ebook and use the same colors on every page. For example, you can see I have choose this color as a background for my cover image. So now I will use this same image and color for every headings. I will also make another layout for any highlighted text, and for this I am going to create another page. And then I will go to the element section on left side to choose a square box. Now these are all the boxes which you can use, and then you can change the color. So I am going to simply select this one for my layout. Now this is the color which I have been using on my previous page. So I will simply select from here, and then I will include a small text about my ebook on left side as well. For example, I can write complete guide to start your Shopify business. Now after doing this, I will create one more page, and that would be to include text and different images. So for this, I am going to simply leave this layout as it is because my text color will be black. And at the end, I am going to add a single element by going into the element section to make my design more beautiful. Now you can see my ebook layout and color scheme is almost final. Now after that, I will include text, headings and images to complete my ebook. I am also going to share the ebook link in description. You can download it if you want to know how it looks. So on main page, I will include some information about me and my ebook title. And this is how it is looking after doing some customization. Now I will add the text by going into the text section on left side, and because my background is dark, so I decided to use the white text color so that it will look nice and clear. And then I added two elements by going into the element section and searching for something that can be related to my ebook. For example, if I search for e-commerce, you can see these are all the elements you can add to your design. Now I will simply choose this element to add into my design. And then I am going to upload the photo by going into the upload section. And after uploading your photo, you can even remove the photo background by going into the edit photo section and then remove background. You can also choose different photographics in filter section as well. Now after that, I will add a heading page so that I can include some more information about my ebook. And for heading pages, as I mentioned earlier, this is the page I am going to use. So I will simply put my headings, and then I will add few elements to make it a bit more attractive. I can also include some text here as well related to headings. Now you can also mention your page number in the footer as well. So after that, I will add my main ebook text. But make sure your text size is same on all pages for headings, subheadings and for text section. And as I told you earlier, your color scheme for all pages should be same as well. Now you can also add different affiliate links in your ebook related to your niche. Or if you want to promote your products like memberships, or even you can add links to your own content as well. You can simply select the text and then you can add your link here. After adding the link, you can also change the color of text, and you can also make the text bold to look more clear. Now, as I told you earlier, you can also use ChatGPT to get content. Simply go to openai.com website and use your email address to log in. Now here in input section, make sure to input the right prompts so that ChatGPT can provide you best information. But make sure you are not using all of the information from ChatGPT. You can do the more search for your content on Google or through YouTube as well, so that anyone who is going to get your ebook should get all the information related to this topic. Now after everything is done, simply go to the top and then go into the download. And after that, our next step is to design the ebook cover. Because I am selling my ebook through Gumroad, so this is the size which is recommended to use by Gumroad for ebook cover. And you can create any size if you are selling through other platforms. Simply go to create design section as I mentioned earlier, and then choose the dimensions according to your need. And after that, you will get a layout like this. So first I have to choose my background color from here. And after selecting the color, I have added my logo, which I have already designed in Canva. Canva has thousands of logos available, same like ebook templates, and you can choose any design to create your own. Now after that, I have added different designs from element section on the left side, for example ebook cover, and few lines to make my design more better. I have also uploaded my own image on ebook cover, and you can also adjust the transparency of your image or text by going into this section. Now at the end, you can add the text by going into the text section, and then you can also change the color of your text. You can also use different text design by going into the design section and then choosing the design you want to use in your text. So our ebook cover is now complete, and I will simply download it. Now our next step is to choose the platform to list our ebook. So either you can list your ebook on Etsy, or there are other platforms which you can use like Gumroad and Shopify. Etsy is the best platform to sell digital products, but instead you will hardly make any sales. So make sure to work on SEO by adding the keywords in title and description to rank better in Etsy search engine. And there are sellers, as I told you earlier, who are making thousands of dollars every month by selling digital products on Etsy because they have worked on SEO and their listing has been ranked well. For example, if you look into this digital product, you can see how many reviews it has. And if I go into the shop section of this page, I can check the analytics by using the Alora extension. So you can see how much revenue they are generating and how much products they are selling at this time. Now this is the passive way, and you will make any sales if your listing is ranked well. But there is an active way, and for this you have to choose another platform to list your ebook. One of them is Gumroad, which I have been using to sell my own ebooks. You can create a Gumroad store to sell your own digital products. For example, ebooks, wallpapers, memberships, and many more. Now after you have signed up, simply go to the product section and then new product. Put a title of your product here, and after that choose the product type. So as I am going to create an ebook, I will simply choose the ebook, and then in pricing section I will put 0 for now because we can also change it later. And after you go next, you can now add the description about your ebook. And you can also add different images, links, or videos. You can add the bullet points, and even you can change the text size as well. Now after that, to create your ebook link, simply copy and paste the title here. You can leave that domain section for now, and then you can upload your ebook cover which you have created in Canva. Now below that, you can also add the thumbnail as well. And in this section, you can add number of pages of your ebook, and you can also add few more information which you want to display nearby now button. You can also link your Discord server if you have one for your customers, and by using this, you can also create your own paid Discord group as well, and you can charge on monthly basis. Now next we have the pricing section, and at this time we are going to leave it for free, which I will explain in marketing section why we are leaving it for free. And then we have the variant section where you can offer paid products with your free ebook. Now after putting all of this information, you can now simply save and continue, and here you can upload your own ebook, which will be sent automatically to customers once they are going to make a purchase. Simply go to insert file section and then upload here. Now our ebook creation process is complete and we can publish our ebook. So your Gumroad store will have a unique URL, and any products you are going to publish will be displayed here automatically on your home page. And you can also drive traffic to your product page directly as well by adding the link in your social media bio. And beside Gumroad, you can also use Lemon Squeezy as well, which is the same platform like Gumroad. And if Gumroad is not available in your country, you can use this option. You can also sell your own digital products through Shopify as well. And I have created a video about complete store setup, including adding the products and store design. You can check the link in description. Now our next and last step is to advertise our store and get sales. And for this, I will only recommend to start from Twitter, which is now X. Simply create an X account, and if you have already one, don't use it. Create a new account and start following creators in your niche. For example, if I created an ebook related to making money online, I will follow the creators only in my own niche. Because in this way, platform algorithm will be able to learn about my interest, and my profile will be recommended to those people who are already engaging and following creators in the same niche. So by doing this, I will be able to find my customers quickly. Now make sure you optimize your profile correctly by adding the information about you in the bio. and then uploading a clear photo of yourself, which will make your profile more authentic. Also, add a link in your bio, and if you have multiple products, I will highly recommend to use Linktree, where you will be able to add multiple links and information in a single place. And once you have created your own Linktree URL, you can then share it in your Twitter bio. And also make sure to upload your cover photo, which should include information about you, and you can create one using the Canva. Simply search for Twitter cover and you will get plenty of design to create your own one. Now, after your profile is optimized, you will have to take all of these steps which I am going to mention to generate more sales. First, you have to follow and engage on other creator profiles in your niche for 5 to 10 minutes on daily basis, so that by doing this, you can get connected with their audience as well, which will help your profile to rank better and quickly. And second, you have to provide free knowledge related to your niche to your audience. In this way, you will be able to build the authority. Now, as I told you earlier, always sell the first version of your ebook for free. And if you are going to add more value with this ebook, you can add a paid version and upsell it with free ebook. Now, as you can see, he is offering free version of ebook in each product. And then he has added a paid version to upsell with more value. But make sure your basic version of ebook is free so that you can collect emails to build your own email list and brand authority. And there are many creators who have built their own email list in this way. And they can now sell anything to this email list like memberships, affiliate links, and even they are monetizing the email list through sponsorships as well, which I will show you later in this video how you can get sponsorships through other platforms. And lastly, make sure to write at least one tweet per day and one thread a week. You can write as much as you can, but this is the least you have to do to get ranked quickly on the platform. Like I was talking about this creator, and you can see he has over 300k followers just in less than 2 years. And he would be making around at least 15 to 20k a month easily through this profile. Now, after you have built an email list, you can now start monetizing your audience. And email lists have very high conversion rate, and this is the data which will stay with you for forever. Now, I previously used Pave to monetize my email list, which is a platform that connects the creators with the advertisers. You can simply create a profile, and after that you can add your email list stats. And then you have to choose the platform which you have been using to send emails. Now, once your profile is approved, advertiser can book the sponsorship for your newsletter. And you can also offer them different packages like dedicated emails or different slots in your newsletter. Beehive is another platform which you can use to monetize your email list as well. So as a creator with over 100k email list, you can see how much he is charging for the slots in newsletter. And rates also depend upon your niche as well, like finance and education rates are usually higher than other niches. As I told you earlier, you can also upsell your own services or products in your newsletter as well. And all the big creators around the world are using the same newsletter model to announce their new arrival products. And they also get engaged with their audience by sending the emails twice a week, and even you can send one email a week on specific day or time. Now, once you have built an email list on single platform, you can then move to other platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or Pinterest. But first, make sure to build an audience on a single platform. And for detail or service-based products, X is the best to drive traffic to your website. And there are creators who have built million-dollar businesses through this single platform. For example, if you look into this creator, he is running a design agency and he is charging a specific monthly amount from their clients. And he is using X to bring all of his traffic to the website. He is also selling a digital product, which is a course, and he has also mentioned in a tweet how much he has made in a previous year. So there is only one thing which matters, and its value. How much value you are providing through your content will determine how much money you are going to make. So I hope this video will help you to build your own digital product business. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel if you have not done yet. I have also created videos related to print on demand and Shopify. You can now check them out, and I will see you in my next video.